Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book a hotel room on booking.com. So first is head over to booking.com, and from here make sure that you are currently on the Stays tab. Next, you can start using the search filter to look for your preferred destination. Start by looking for target location. Then next is the duration of your stay, starting in what date and until when. The next is how many people are included, how many adults, children, and how many rooms are you looking for. And also, if you're traveling with your pets, you can toggle this on, then click on done. And now you can proceed by clicking on the search button. Now, here are the recommendations for our preferred location. Just click on the hotel that you would like to reserve. And from here, just click on the reserve button. Now, in this section is where you can start picking your room depending on the availability on your chosen hotel. Select your preferred room by adding one, or if you don't want this room, change it back to zero. So, say for example, we're going to pick this room. We're just going to click on this drop down menu and change it to 1. And once done, proceed by clicking on I'll reserve. The next step is adding your details. Just fill in all the details about yourself. Then once done, proceed with the final details. Now the last step is of course finalizing your payment for your booking. Now you have two options here. When do you want to pay? So you have an option to pay when you stay, so your card won't be charged automatically or immediately, but they're going to need to get your payment details to reserve your booking. Or you can also choose to pay now, and you don't have to worry because you can cancel before the date for a full refund. Now, if you choose to pay now, here are the four payment methods available. If you plan to pay by your card, just add in your card details, or you can also pay through GPay, PayPal, or GrabPay. Once the payment is done, head over and click on Complete Booking. You should then get a confirmation of your booking that includes the details, including details of your hotel room. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again in the next one. Bye!